Okay, in this lesson, let's do the niche research together. Actually, I'd like to do reverse engineering by looking at the affiliate programs on the market first. Maybe let's go to the clickbank.com first. Okay, here's the clickbank. At the left-hand side, left-hand corner, you can see a lot of categories of affiliate programs which are basically niches you can do for your website. For example, you can see computer, cooking, food, business investing, education, health and fitness, home and garden, languages. Let's take a look at self-help. Maybe let's see dating guides. I'm going to sort it by gravity. You see there are quite a lot of products that we can promote, and the gravity score is moderate, that's not very high and not very low. If the gravity score is very high, that means the competition is very intense, so although the product is hot selling. But for this dating guides, you can see the gravity score is above 30 by 46.48. That is, I think it's quite good already. Maybe you can go to Google to find more affiliate programs for this niche. Just Google dating advice. And affiliate and then we can see there are quite a lot of affiliate programs. This one, the top 25. And you can see there are a lot of dating sites, they have the affiliate programs. For example, the Cupid.com is up to 90% commission rate. This one has 45%, this one also 35%, and then 75%. That's pretty high. So we now know there are quite a lot of affiliate programs in this niche, and that's pretty good. We don't have to worry there are not enough product for us to promote. So now let's verify if this niche is popular, whether this niche has demand. We can go to YouTube. Okay, right here on YouTube, we can do the search. Let's type dating. And then you can see there are a lot of suggestions. These may be the niche that you can go after, for example, dating apps, right? Maybe let's do dating advice. And then more suggestions like dating advice for women, dating advice for men. So your website can focus on either men or women so that you can narrow your niche further down. Let's do a search first. And you can see the videos. The views of videos means the popularity of the topics in this niche. Like the only dating advice that we ever need is 1.6 million views. This one is 573k views. 6 behavior that scale men off. So by seeing these videos, we know that this niche is pretty popular and people are very interested in the topic about dating. We can also go to Google Trend to further verify our idea. Here's the Google Trend where you can just do a search of some topics and search terms to see the trend of it. Let's do dating apps. You can see the trend is pretty stable. It is above 75, and that means it's pretty popular and many people are interested in this topic and searching for dating apps. And we know there are lots of dating apps that should have affiliate programs that we can join, right? And then we can also go to Amazon for further verification. Let's see if there are some relevant Kindle books in your niche and see how many people are reading these books on the market. Okay, right here on Amazon, you can see that there are a lot of books about dating. And there are also, by looking at the reviews, we can actually gauge how many people have actually bought these books. You see this is more than 1,000, more than 4,000 reviews. So this data actually tells you that this niche is pretty popular and has quite a large demand for the products in this niche. So at this point, you can see the process of actually doing research and validating your niche idea. And we see that dating and relationship advice is probably a good niche to go. Hope this video helps and see you in the next lesson.